Like I found another BB.
Welcome back to the channel, Close Spam. Today I am here in the greater Sacramento area on the American River, and today I broke up my kayak and we're gonna be using my inflatable kayak to go exploring in the American River and see what we find. Alright you guys, let's get right to it. And if you are new to the channel, I am Casey. I go around to the different waterways, to our lakes and our rivers. And if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Oh, I'm stoked. Magnificent the American River. And I haven't broke out my kayak in at least, I think it's been about a year. So I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can see, but the homeless over there, see where their boat is at. And they even have their own little ramp. Hey, talking about lap of luxury. Oh man. Do you guys have homeless in your area that lives so nicely like this? What in the world is this? What in the world? Remove label. Bids warranty. Printer or something? Has some metal bar piping or something, maybe? I don't know. I see that we have trash over here. There's trash all along this river and I can't pick it all up. It's so overwhelming. That's cool. Found a clamp of some sort. Another clamp of some sort. This is just terrible. I was talking to a local guy and I asked him, I said, well, why is it that I always find stuff in our waters? And he was jokingly saying that, you know, some people will hit the bottle a little too hard and they just chunk stuff in. I believe that's true to a degree, I guess, you know. And by needing some sunscreen. What is this? Clothes? It's not even wanting to come up from the ground. Ugh. Oh, this one's just even better, you guys. Oh, missing a ice chest. So what I'm going to do, since there is a lot of trash just in this area, I'm going to pick it up and just throw it into the ice chest here. And I hope and pray that there's some good people out here. I have some big boats that can come through here and pick it up. I just say I hope, because I see a lot of people around here already just drive right on by it. Kind of heartbreaking to see, quite honest. Look, this looks like a tent. I can't even get it up from the water. It's full of stuff. Oh, there we go. Tire of some sort, maybe? This truly does make me sad, you guys. Like, really sad. Yeah, big old thing of kitty litter that has rocks in it. You know, some kids were playing with it. I want you guys to get confused because this is still a magnet fishing video. I'm just going through and cleaning up what I see. Oh, this is still good. Yo, what is this? Oh, another CO2. I find these everywhere I go, it seems like. Do you guys do too? And also too, if you guys are enjoying the content so far, smash that like button. See what we got here? And bottle cap. Looks like something else is down there that is has some metal and that has color to it. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but there's blue paint and metal shavings, and then we have our bottle cap. What we got here, you guys? Got a nil, 2 more bottle caps. Looks like there's a lot of people that drink here. Another one that's disintegrated, and a metal, look, rebar maybe? No, actually I think this is a tool. Yeah, I think this is a tool. Yeah, it's a tool. There's some type of tool. I can't really tell. Maybe you guys do. What else did we catch here? Okay, so for sure random pieces of metal. Oh, this is nice. Looked like it went to something. Carabiner. Ooh. That looks like it goes to the boat docks, maybe. Cool, cool, cool. And then random pieces of metal. It looks like I found another BB. But you guys can't really tell from the angle. Right here, another BB. Today's a good day, you guys. Hey, what else did we find, you guys? Oh, nice. Somebody's missing a bungee cord. Guys, so I went exploring the American River earlier this morning, and needless to say, the wind was just sloshing me around, so that's why I'm over here by the boat docks now. And so far we're finding some pretty good stuff over here. What is this? Nice flathead screwdriver. Sweet, that's my first one. Hey, what else we got here, you guys? Ah, bolts galore. Nice. Oh, and then another bolt. I don't know if you guys can really tell from this angle. Over from that boat dock, I'm now over here. Okay, what do we catch? Wow. Okay, another another flathead. This one looks to be in better condition, and it hasn't been down there too long. Some more nails. Another nail. We have another bottle cap. Looks like someone's piece to someone's glasses. Kayak for a minute to stretch my legs. See what we got here, you guys. Now that's for sure a random piece of metal. Ooh, that sucker is thick. You guys are having a wonderful Sunday. Just as much as I am out here on this beautiful day. Oh. Found another one. But this time this one's split in half. Don't worry, guys. I have my rope tied off to the bucket. So my kayak is not going to... I just strolled over here. Because I seen a property of Mission Foods. You come over here, you find a wine bottle, you find shoes, like just all sorts of stuff. Anybody missing a shoe? Oh wow! That's crazy. I say this trash is just so overwhelming.
My goodness. I think I'm gonna call it here soon too, you guys. We had some pretty good finds, I would say, and it's nice to break out the kayak again. Anybody missing a V8? Oh, and it hasn't even been opened, you guys. This V8 has not been opened. Like a Kratos magnet, just like mine. This is the Kratos 2400 360 Artemis. Links will be down in the description down below. And if you use the code CoastalKC at checkout, you will get 12% off of your order. So ever since I've gotten this magnet, I mean, literally nothing else exists to me. I have pulled up a gun, I have pulled up car parts, I have pulled up multiple things from just this magnet alone. And let me tell you, it's well worth the purchase.
Alright, you guys, that's going to close out today's video. And I'd like to also apologize for last week's video. Everything happened so quickly, so I do apologize that I didn't really get a good, I'd say a good picture of the gun itself. I would just say the excitement was just worth it all on its own. And I also say thank you guys so very much for coming out with me today and us hanging out on my kayak as we go exploring. Well, not really exploring, as we go magnet fishing on the American River. And today was a blast. I've actually never been on this part of town, so I'm usually on the other end, and I usually stay by certain areas, but it's great to get out there and be knowledgeable of what is in your surroundings. But alright, you guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. And if you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did. I forgot to announce that later on this month, which we're coming very close to, I'm going to be announcing another giveaway, which I'm partnering up with another company that I've partnered up with before in the past. So we're going to be doing a giveaway. So we're going to be giving away their products and a $50 gift card.